Hey friends. So this is to my Facebook friends, and my friends on all different social medias or whatever. Most of Facebook. Listen, y'all know the holidays are upon us. Y'all know how I do, and for those of you who are new, listen and I'll tell you how I do. Let me put on some light here. So, listen, you see that? Now, you see how good that light is on that picture? Now, you see how horrible it look behind me, or how bad it looks without it. Now, that comes to what I'm talking about, y'all. That comes to what I'm talking about. Now, y'all know I steal pictures. Not steal. I take pictures and I cartoon them, or I put them on scenes. I do stuff to my friends' pictures when I see pictures I like. But some of y'all pictures are hard to do. I like them, but look, you'll have them like this. Where's the top of your head? Where's the top of your head? Or you'll have it like this. Let me find some. You'll have so much stuff behind you that I can't figure out where the hell you at. Get in front of a plain wall. Look at that. Give me some room on the top. Give me some room on the sides so I can do my magic, do what I do. You know, look directly at the camera. Put the sun behind you. You know, put the sun behind you. Can't, Lord have mercy. Take that one out. Put the sun behind your camera, not behind you. So put the sun behind your camera. Help me still. You know, you're making this like a job to me, and I'm retired. And I like to be retired, and I don't want no job. But I love to look at people's pictures, especially when you put up like birthday pictures or pictures of kids and stuff like that. And I don't do it all the time. But when I do it, I don't want to work for it. If I got to work for it, I got to charge you. And I don't charge for cartooning. I don't, because I don't do it by hand. I use several different apps. I tell people that all the time. I use several different apps to do this cartooning. Now, you probably don't need the apps that I use, because I do a lot of different things. You know, I do some transparency. I take out backgrounds. You know, I might change a color in the clothes or something. You don't need that. You just want a cartoon. Go to your apps. I'm going to tell you how to do that. Go to your app store on your device, whether you have an Android or Apple. So Apple Store or Play Store or whatever. I don't even know what Mac got. Maybe they got the same thing. I don't know. My arm's tired as hell. I've been doing the weight. So go to your app store and put in cartoon app. Okay? And that's going to tell you all the list of the apps that's available for your device. Now, once you get there, what you need to do is read the reviews, people. Read the reviews. Read the reviews and find out which one is going to be simple for you or which one is going to fill your needs. Now, this is for people who just want to cartoon their profile picture. And then for the crafters that need cartooning to help them when they're doing, you know, your designs or whatever. You know, there are paid versions and there are free versions. If you just want to do your profile picture, you probably want a free version. Or if you want to just use it every blue moon as a crafter even, you probably want a free version. The versions I have are paid versions because, again, I do a lot of stuff, but you don't need that. When you see me put a picture online, that's one of the free versions I use, y'all. That's how good them programs is, because y'all trying to pay me. The only thing that I do to that is probably write your name on there, but you know, you can do that through Facebook. You know, and some of the apps allow you to do that. That's the only thing I do. So when you see me put a picture online, 9 times out of 10, I just stuck it in one of them free apps, then put it online. Now, if you're a good friend or it's your birthday or something, yeah, I'll probably put it in my own app. I probably took your picture and I put it through like Remini or one of the other programs to clear it up because I really wanted you to have a picture. But if it's just a random, I just randomly say, 9 times out of 10, I just stuck it in the app is what I'm telling you. Because 9 times out of 10, I'm not going to grab a picture off your profile that I got to do a lot of work to. So if you see me not doing your picture, that's probably because, hell, every picture you put on there got filters on it. I'm not going to take my time to take your filter off to give you a free picture. I do have a program. I have several programs I can do to take your filter off because I use it for my pictures and I use it for my clients. But I'm not finna do it for you for free on Facebook timeline. So if all your pictures got filters, yeah, I probably would never, ever do one of your pictures. So, yeah. And let me tell you this. I'm not mean or whatever, but I don't take requests. And the reason why, let me tell you why. Because if I take requests and do them, that would take most of my time. Because people love them cartoon images. Hell, I used to pay $35 to get mine. So it would take too much of my time. Okay? Then if I say yes, I would have to say yes to everybody because it wouldn't be right to do something. I mean, I know I can do what the fuck I want to do. Don't get me wrong. You ain't got to tell me that. I already know that. But I don't want to do like that because it wouldn't be fair. And I'm a fair person. So I just grab pictures as I see them. You know, I might do them every day for a week. Then you might not. I just started doing them the other day. And, you know, you see them a lot now. But hell, you might go 3-4 months without me seeing them. To end this babbling, just go to the damn app store and put in cartoon app. Now, if you feel froggy and you want to sell them, go ahead and sell them to people. I don't sell them little cartoons that I put on Facebook. I just don't. Because, hell, I'm putting them in free apps. So that ain't my hustle in life, baby. I'm not going to do that. That just ain't what I do. And other people do it, and hey, that's fine. I ain't gonna say nothing about it. Ain't got nothing to do with me. But I'm telling you how I do mine, and I'm telling you how you can do yours for free. Now, if I get an order from you and you want some cartoon, then I'm gonna go to the program that I paid for. You don't want to pay $99 for a program. So then I go to, because again, I can't draw. So I have to use the AI, the artificial intelligence, to help me along with my skills in the program. But yeah, App Store. Yeah, tag me when you do it. And people, don't get mad at me. I'm not giving out no information taken from your business, because every time I go on TikTok, I see an ad for cartoons. It might be because I'm a crafter, but these ads all over the place. As a crafter, they're not going to take your business back because they don't know how to do the stuff that you need to do, the transparency, changing the layers, making the colors sharp. They don't know how to do that. But if they want to do their profile picture, y'all get in that app store and get you an app. Okay, yeah, that's it. Bye, y'all.